Hey, wine lovers! Today, let's talk about Italian wines. Starting with Valpolicella are from Veneto, a red wine with a fruity aroma and a dry taste. Frascati Secco W from Latium is a dry white wine with a refreshing taste. Chianti Classico Chianti Rufina are from Tuscany is a red wine with a medium body and a velvety finish. Barolo are from Piedmont is a full-bodied red wine with a complex taste. Asti Spumante Araldica SP, W, sweet from Piedmont is a sweet sparkling wine with fruity notes. Sauve Classico W from Veneto is a dry white wine with a floral aroma and a crisp taste. Barbaresco are from Piedmont is a red wine with an intense aroma and a smooth taste. Bardolino, Chiaretto, are, dry, rosé, from Veneto is a dry rosé wine with a light body and a refreshing taste. La Crema del Vesuvio Rosso Bianco are W, dry, from Campania is a dry red white wine with an earthy aroma and a persistent taste. Lambrusco Chiali Frizzante SP, R, sweet from Emilia Romagna is a sweet sparkling red wine with fruity notes. Moving on to German wines, Pies Porter Goldtrafchen W from Moselle is a white wine with a mineral taste and an apple aroma. Berncasteler Dr. W from Moselle is a white wine with a honeyed aroma and a sweet taste. Schloss Johannesburg W from Riingau is a white wine with an elegant taste and an apricot aroma. Berkheimer Feuerberg are from Baden is a red wine with an intense aroma and a spicy taste. Hemesheimer Landskron are from R is a red wine with an earthy aroma and a smooth taste. Next, we're talking about the different varieties of red and white grapes used in winemaking. Let's start with red grapes. First up, we have Shiraz, also known as Syrah. This grape is known for producing full-bodied, spicy wines with dark fruit flavors. Next, we have Zinfandel, a popular California grape that produces bold, fruity wines. Cabernet Sauvignon is a Bordeaux grape that's known for producing complex, tannic wines with flavors of blackcurrant and tobacco. Malbec is another Bordeaux grape that produces rich, dark wines with flavors of plum and chocolate. And who can forget about Pinot Noir? This Champagne and Burgundy grape produces light-bodied, delicate wines with flavors of red fruit and earthy notes. Now let's move on to white grapes. Chardonnay is a popular Champagne and Burgundy grape that produces rich, buttery wines with flavors of apple and vanilla. Palomino is a sherry grape that produces dry, crisp wines with a salty finish. Sauvignon Blanc is a Bordeaux grape that produces crisp, refreshing wines with flavors of citrus and grass. Semillon is another Bordeaux grape that's often blended with Sauvignon Blanc to produce full-bodied, complex wines. Riesling is an Alsace and Germany grape that produces sweet and floral wines with notes of honey and apricot. Gewürztraminer is an Alsace grape that produces aromatic wines with flavors of lychee and rose petals. Other notable white grapes include Pinot Blanc, Viognier, and Chenin Blanc from the Loire Valley. So there you have it, a rundown of the different varieties of red and white grapes used in winemaking. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Nebbiolo. This grape is primarily grown in Piedmont, Italy and is used to make some of the most famous Italian wines, including Barolo and Barbaresco. Next, we have Pedro Ximénez, also known as the sherry grape. This grape is primarily grown in Spain and is used to make sweet dessert wines. Grenache, also known as Garnacha, is a versatile grape that is grown in many wine regions around the world. It's often used in blends and can produce both red and rosé wines. Marsanne is a white grape that is primarily grown in the Rhône Valley of France. It's often blended with other white grapes to produce full-bodied wines with complex flavors. Pinot Meunier is one of the three main grapes used in champagne production. It's known for its fruity and floral flavors and is often used to balance out the acidity of other grapes. Aligote is a white grape that is primarily grown in Burgundy, France. It's often used to produce crisp and refreshing white wines. Touriga Nacional is a red grape that is primarily grown in Portugal and is used to produce port wine. It's known for its high tannins and dark fruit flavors. Carlambard, also known as Trebbiano in Italy, is a white grape that is primarily used to produce cognac and Armagnac. Tinta Negra is a red grape that is primarily grown in Madeira and is used to produce fortified wines. Gamay is a red grape that is primarily grown in the Beaujolais region of France. It's known for its light body and fruity flavors. Cabernet Franc is a red grape that is often used in Bordeaux blends. It's known for its herbaceous flavors and softer tannins compared to Cabernet Sauvignon. Pinot Gris, also known as Pinot Grigio, is a white grape that is primarily grown in Alsace, France. It's known for its crisp acidity and citrus flavors. Finally, we have Tempranillo, a red grape that is primarily grown in Spain. It's known for its earthy flavors and ability to age well. So there you have it, some of the most popular grape varieties used in winemaking. Cheers! That's all for today's video on Italian and German wines. Remember to always drink responsibly and savor the flavors of each glass. Cheers!